Welcome to the product demo of the Wood-Mizer HR120 horizontal resaw. Built in the USA, the HR120 features unmatched versatility, best-in-class capacity, compact footprint, reliable power options, power head up-down, tilting bed, and more for a premium quality resaw that is a proven workhorse for both industrial operations and everyday sawyers. Let's take a look. Produce pallet stock, remanufacture boards and cans, reclaim slabs into finished boards, or make specialty products like lap siding, molding blanks, and more. This single-head workhorse saws the practical to the unique. Get the most out of your wood in operation with a large 16-inch width and 12-inch height capacity, more than most basic resaws you'll come across. Versatile and reliable power options are available to fit your needs, including 19 horsepower or 25 horsepower gas and 17 horsepower diesel engines with electric start. A 10 horsepower electric motor is also available for resawing indoors with a single-phase connection. Up-down head adjustment is conveniently controlled from a toggle switch on the control panel. The height measurement is provided with an on-machine ruler scale. From the convenient on-machine controls, turn the belt on and adjust the variable feed speed from 0 to 60 feet per minute with a potentiometer. For added safety, an emergency stop is available to power down the entire machine. Produce specialty products with a heavy-duty bed that easily tilts to cut at a 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 degree angle, resulting in lap siding and molding blanks. With a compact footprint of 78 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 85 inches high, the HR120 seamlessly fits into high production operations and small workshops and can easily be moved around with a forklift. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with a gravity-fed blade lubrication that applies directly to the blade. A water tank conveniently located close to the operator is easy to refill and features an on-off valve for consistently distributing lubrication to the blade to extend overall life. The 158-inch bandsaw blade travels on two 19-inch diameter belted cast steel wheels, which reduce friction and absorb impact for additional stability in the cut. A weighted hold-down top roller applies pressure to secure the material as it travels through the cut for consistent, accurate sawing. High-performance blade guide rollers provide extra support and stability for sawmill blades to saw accurately and consistently. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. The optional manual return system includes 3 roller tables for easier processing of material. The optional powered return system includes an incline conveyor that automatically returns the material to the operator for additional processing. Manufacturing the HR120 horizontal resaw by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in the United States provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. With decades of manufacturing experience, Wood-Mizer employees in the heart of the Midwest USA have been manufacturing high-quality Wood-Mizer equipment for global markets since 1982. Sales of parts and blades, service, and support are always available through your local Wood-Mizer representative. With the industry's best warranty and support, the HR120 is backed by the same level of service, quality, and safety features shared by the entire family of Wood-Mizer equipment. Whether you need technical advice, parts, or troubleshooting, your local Wood-Mizer representative is available to help. Thank you for watching the demo of the HR120 horizontal resaw. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.